Good morning, class. May I request Sunshine to lead a prayer? Amen. Once again, good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Reming. Good morning, classmates. It's nice to see you again. Mabuhay!
Okay. How are you today, class?
Good, ma'am.
Okay. So now, let's check your attendance. In this row, who is absent today?
No one, ma'am.
How about in this row?
No one also, ma'am.
Okay, very good. No one is absent today. Now, before we start, I would like to introduce to you our classroom rules. Did you understand?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
rule must be followed and observed. Okay. Now, before we start our new topic, let's see if you remember our last topic yesterday. Okay, who wants to answer? Yes, Sunshine.
Ma'am,
What was our last topic yesterday?
reading styles, ma'am.
Reading style. So, what is the specific reading style?
Skimming and scanning, ma'am.
Now, are you excited for our new topic and activities?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's have motivation, word problems. Class, please read the direction.
Solve the following problems within 3 minutes.
Okay, did you understand the direction?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to solve the following problems. Okay, number 1, please read.
If you have 1 in a million chance of winning and you buy 2 tickets, how many chances do you have?
Okay, please, in this row, who wants to answer?
Ma'am,
Yes, Crystalline?
the answer is 2 in a million.
Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. This row, please read the number 2.
If it's raining cats and dogs and you have 5 umbrellas and 2 are broken, how many umbrellas do you have left?
Okay, who wants to answer in this row?
ma'am.
Yes, Jenny?
I think 1, ma'am.
1. Okay, thank you. How about in this row? Yes, Sunshine?
I think 2, ma'am.
2. Okay, thank you, Sunshine. How about in the next row? Who wants to answer? Yes,
ma'am.
Crystalline?
3.
Yes? Okay. Let's see if your answer is correct. And number 1, your answer is correct. 2 in a million. And number 2 question is,
3.
how many umbrellas left?
3.
Very good.
Yay!
ko 2.
Okay. Okay, class. By answering in our first activity, the question is, what did you notice about the phrases used in the math problems that made them different from regular math question?
Me, ma'am.
Okay, Crystalline.
Just like in number 2, ma'am, you uses the dogs and the cats for the math phrases, and you have an umbrella, which are 5 umbrellas, and you subtract it. You use subtraction, and you subtract it to 2 umbrellas that are broken.
Wow, very good. So, I use phrases that different from regular math questions. Okay, next is, how did the phrases used in the problems affect your understanding about math questions? So, in answering, how did the phrases used in the problems affect your understanding? So, Crystalline said earlier that I used cats, dogs, umbrellas. So, how did you affect by answering the math problems? Yes, Crystalline?
I think, ma'am, is how did the phrases used in the problems is you make it as an example.
Okay. And other hand, okay, Sunshine.
Kuan, ma'am, naay math problem sa kuan, ma'am, sa activity.
Okay, Sunshine said there is a math problems and use phrases. Next is, what do you think the phrases used in the problems have in common, and why? What might be the focus of our lesson today? Okay, let's proceed to question number 3. Please read.
What do you think the phrases used in the problems have in common, and what might be the focus of our lesson today?
Yes? In this row? Honey, what is your answer?
I think, ma'am, the phrases that we use is, in number 1, we use the 2 in a million years. And the number 2 phrase that you use is, it's raining cats and dogs.
Wow, your answer is very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, ikatsa. Okay, let's proceed to question number 3. Please read.
What do you think the phrases used in the problems have in common, and what might be the focus of our lesson today?
Yes? In this row? Honey, what is your answer?
I think, ma'am, the phrases that we use is, in number 1, we use the 2 in a million years. And the number 2 phrase that you use is, it's raining cats and dogs.
Wow, your answer is very good. Let's proceed to question number 3. Please read.
What do you think the phrases used in the problems have in common, and what might be the focus of our lesson for today?
Okay, other hand. Yes, honey?
Yes, ma'am. I think, ma'am, the phrases that we use is, in number 1, I observed we use 2 in a million years, and the other one, ma'am, which is number 2, we use, it's raining cats and dogs. And our topic for today, I guess, is all about ma'am, idioms.
Wow, what a nice answer from honey. So, class, our topic for today is, please read.
Idiomatic expression.
So, but before that, let's read our objectives first. Everybody,
At
The end of the lesson, the students should be able to identify and understand meaning of idiomatic expressions, appreciate idioms as a form of creative expression, and use idiomatic expressions in sentence and conversation.
okay, let's proceed to our another activity. Please read.
Idiom match.
And please read the direction.
Identify the idiomatic expression and understand their meanings by matching each idiom with its correct figurative meaning.
Did you understand the direction, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will divide you into 2 groups. This will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Please participate, okay? Please answer this within 2 minutes. Go! Okay, let's check your answer. The phrase read
Break a leg.
and the literal meaning is,
To suffer an injury resulting in a fracture.
and how about the figurative?
Good luck.
Okay, let's check. Now, how does knowing the literal meaning help you understand the idiom's real meaning? By answering this, class, what is your understanding? Why to suffer an injury resulting in a fracture is for you is literal, and good luck is figurative. In a phrase, break a leg.
Kay kuan man, ma'am.
Abi man na mo, ma'am, sa break a leg, ma'am, kay karang break a leg.
Oh, balion.
Ang leg.
Okay, exactly. You mean, Crystalline, the literal meaning of a phrase. And how about the figurative?
Kanang good
Why
luck,
you answer
ma'am.
good luck?
Kay creative man, ma'am. Good luck.
Good luck.
Ilang
Very
way of
good.
ano.
Next is, what was hard about matching the idioms with their meanings, and how did you figure it out? Yes? Okay, Jenny.
Me, ma'am, what was hard about matching the idiom meanings with their meanings and how did you figure it out? Lisod siya ma'am kay maano siya ng hard siya kay lagi to matong like what we said earlier nga lisod kay abi na mo break a leg literal na magkaroon ka og fracture. Tapos kung sa abot pud sa figurative ma'am gi-figure out na mo nga ang break a leg da ay kay ang meaning sa break a leg is good luck.
Exactly. So, this is what we call idiomatic expression. Now, what is idiomatic expression? So, class, please read.
Are phrases or sentences that have figurative meaning that's different from literal meaning of the individual words.
Okay, so example is a break a leg. So this is the phrase, and the literal is to suffer an injury resulting a fracture. And the figurative is
Good luck.
So that is a idiomatic expression. Now, what is the difference between literal and figurative meaning? Please read.
Literal meaning, the exact meaning of the word without interpretation.
And the figurative meaning?
A meaning that goes beyond the literal interpretation, often using metaphors, simile, or other devices.
So, are you familiar of this? Metaphors, similes, and literal devices?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is a idiomatic expression. Always remember, when we say literal, it exact meaning of the words without interpretation. And when we say idiomatic expression or figurative meaning,
That goes beyond the literal interpretation, ma'am.
Often using metaphors, similes, or other literary devices.
okay, now, did you understand what is idiomatic expression?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So, what is the difference between literal and figurative? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
When we say literal, what is literal meaning?
Exact meaning.
Very good. And how about figurative?
Beyond the literal interpretation.
Very good. We call?
Matching game.
So, we have, our first example phrase is?
Beat around the bush.
And please read the literal meaning of this phrase.
To
Hit or strike around the bush.
And figurative meaning?
To avoid talking directly or clearly about something.
Very good. Next phrase.
Rain on someone's parade.
Literal meaning?
To cause rain to fall on someone's parade.
And figurative meaning?
To spoil or ruin someone's plans or event.
Very good. So, did you understand what is idiomatic expression?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to answer our next activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please read the direction.
Each group will create a short poem that uses idioms to convey a message or theme.
Okay. For your quiz, just create a short poem that uses idioms to convey a message or theme. Answer this within 10 minutes. Did you understand?
Yes.
Since you already understand what is idiomatic expression, let's have another activity. Please read the direction.
Each group will create a short poem that uses idioms to convey a message or theme.
Did you understand the direction?
Yes, ma'am.
Create a short poem that uses idioms to convey a message or theme. Answer this within 10 minutes with your group. Please cooperate, everyone. Very good, class. You apply idioms to create a short poem to convey a message or theme. So, I have a question. How did using idiomatic expression in your poem help convey your message or theme? And this group who wants to answer? Yes, Annalyn.
How does using idiomatic expression in your poem help to convey? Kuan ma'am nang mas naging creative among poem kay nag-use ni og figurative. So, mao pa ma'am.
Very good. So, Annalyn said that they use a idiomatic expression or figurative to create a poem that more creative. So, okay, for your assignment, please read the direction.
Use idiomatic expressions in a sentence and conversation.
Answer this in a one whole sheet of paper. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am Ren.